I become a person, but my happiness will still be my own.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing great. Yeah, that's me showing on my screen and it's weird looking at myself, but what can I do? I have to. Okay, so I do watch my videos so that I'll see errors, mistakes, and then when I'm making the next video, I'll make the correction. Okay, so that's why I always watch it on my TV. So how you guys doing? Welcome back to another beautiful vlog. If you are new here, my name is Laureen. I do nail videos and I also do vlog, but I think the vlog is more than the nail videos now. Okay, because people prefer the vlog over the nail videos. Yeah, I just came back from work. I'm hungry. I only ate 2 slices of bread at work. So I want to go make plantain and rice. I have rice in the fridge. I'm just going to fry plantain. When I was coming back from work, I branched my African market and I got the plantain. It's 1 for $1. So I'm just going to fry one of it and then I'll use it to eat my rice. Please like, share, subscribe. If you are not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you'll be the first to get notified. Please, you don't love me, you don't love my face, you don't see how beautiful I am. Please do me a favor by hitting the subscribe button. Okay, so yeah, I'm in my kitchen. Let me just make plantain. I might even change my mind. I don't know. Yeah, sometimes I'll come here when I open the fridge, I see something else, I'll change my mind, but that is what is on my mind to eat. So yeah, let me do this. Food is ready, right? I just fried half plantain, not full, not like the whole plantain. I cut it in 2 and then I fried 1 part because I can't finish 1 full plantain. So yeah, this is my food. But before I go eat, I want to show you guys this. I have corn here. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. It's, yeah, this is white, yellow corn. I got it from my African store. I want to use it to make pap. It's called pap. In English, we call it pap. That's from Nigeria. But in Pidgin English, I think in Pidgin English, we call it Akamu. Other people, like some people call it ogiri, something like that. So I want to make it by myself. I want to try my first time doing this. Hopefully it's nice, but I'll show you guys how we do it. So, but before that, I need to go eat and then I'll come do this one, okay? So I'm just going to leave this now and then I'll come back. Like I said before, I told you guys I want to make Akamu. So this is the corn. This is yellow corn that I got from African market, right? So I'm going to blend this. When I blend it, I'll pour it here and then I'll add more water to it and then I'll sieve it with my cheesecloth, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna add a good amount of corn in here. I think I'm gonna blend it 2 times. Add water and then I'll blend. I had to use this my other blender. I don't usually use this blender for things like this, but the Ninja blender is not blending it right. Like it's not, I want it very smooth, but the Ninja blender is not giving me that. So I'm just using this one, okay? So I am done blending. You can see the consistency is very light. It's so watery. And now I'm going to pass this through this cheesecloth and then I'll just press it. My hands are clean, so I think I'm gonna add more water to this. You need it to be very, very light. But at the end, you're gonna see the results, okay? So I'm just gonna pass this. We do this a lot in Nigeria. This is how we get our Akamu in Nigeria. Okay. We also have white corn. The same way we have this yellow corn. So I'm just gonna start pressing it like this. It takes time though. You have to be patient doing this.
Now me where they clean on the house. Now me where they wash on the car. Now me where they cook on.
In Nigeria, we use a very big cloth for this. Cheesecloth, but a very big one. For this America, I got this cheesecloth from Shein.
Now me where they wash on our clothes. Now me where they work for your shop.
The Akamu is this one, not this one. This one, I'm going to throw this out. But in Africa, they use it for something. I don't know what they use it for, but here, I'm just going to throw it out, okay? I'm doing it the second time. You know, the first one, I did everything and I added more water to it. I can get all of the Akamu from it, okay? So now there's nothing in here. The shaft is very, very sharp, as you can see. You cannot feel anything like Akamu here anymore. So you see, there is nothing here. It's just powder. So for the final process, make sure I just pour this here. Make sure your cheesecloth is very clean so that you don't have the residues inside this one. So I'm still gonna go with my cup. Let me just shrink this. So I'm gonna go in with this plate and then start pouring this here. See, this is what came up. You don't want to have this in your Akamu. It's very, very bad, you see. So this is what we have. I'm gonna put this aside and leave it to settle overnight, and then tomorrow morning we'll just take out the water. Whatever we have underneath the water, that is what we call Akamu. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? I covered it already, so I'm gonna leave it like this till tomorrow. So let me clean this place. See, I just want to wipe off this place, and then tomorrow I'll talk to you guys. Now look at our Akamu. It's the next day. It usually comes out like this. There's a lot of water. Now I'm gonna drain out the water, and then you see the real Akamu underneath this water. Okay, so let me just pour this water in the sink. This is the Akamu, right? So I'm going to put this in an airtight container, and when it settles down, if I still have more water, I'm going to drain it and then put it in the freezer, okay? No, I'm going to put it in the fridge, not freezer. This is the corn. I got this from my African market. Yeah, you can see. Guys, I came to Burlington the thing is I'm on break, so I just decided to walk around a little bit. I have a 30 minutes break, and I saw Burlington and came in and I saw these two wallets, so I'm gonna buy both. When you want to get a brand, name brand, trust me, come to Burlington. You will get your favorite brands, even non-brand products. They have them here. So I'm just gonna walk around to see if I have more stuff. But this wallet is $69.99. No, sorry, $59.99. You can see market calls. Let me show you guys. Give me a second. Market calls. Most of you will know. So I'm getting this for myself, Steve Madden, and this is the price is inside. So yeah. This is $16.99. I'm gonna give this to someone. I have a Makeko's wallet. That's what I'm using right now, but it's a little bit old. Let me bring it out of my bag. Give me a second. This is the one I have now. feel like it's a little bit old, but it's still nice. I don't know if why I want another one. See, it's still very nice. I still have my stuff in here. So yeah, I hope you guys can hear me. I'm just gonna put this back. So let me just walk around a little bit. If I get more stuff, I'll let you guys know. Can you guys see? Doing clearance. Let me see if I can get some clothes from here. I like to buy. I like to buy. I need my size. What size is this? Oh, this is small. I need large or extra large. I like my stuff a little bigger. So yeah, they are doing clearance. That's new clearance markdown. Let me go check that one. Let me see the shoe area, because I need shoe for work. Let me see if I can find something that I like. Let me see. I need to go to my size. What size is this? Oh, this is size 12. Size 5. Let me go to my size 8. I just want to look for something. Hopefully I'll find something for work. Yeah, this is size 8. No, Burlington, you have to settle down. You don't rush when you come here. If not, you're not gonna get good stuff. That slippers is so nice. I don't know if it's gonna fit my mom. This is very nice. So guys, this one, I don't know if it's gonna fit mommy. I would have loved to get it for her. For summer. Guys, I'm taking this one for my mom, not me. We both have the same leg size, so I think I'm gonna take this one. I think she's gonna like it. I'm gonna take both. Please don't pay attention to my leg so ashy, because I have socks. I have to put the socks so I can get a better fit for the slippers. Start checking my account. I'm not the play. I dropped the wallet, those 2 wallets. I dropped them. No, right now I'm broke. So I'm just gonna take these 2 slippers for my mom. These 2 slippers for her, the one I showed you guys. Guys, I found the black one. I'm happy. So I found the black one, but I'm gonna take this for mommy, the black one. And then I'll just take, because you know I did a knee surgery. I don't wear heels right now. And I'm just gonna take this one for myself, and then I'll still take this one for mommy. You know, I told you guys I didn't want to take the wallet, but I just want to take this one for my mom because it's so pretty. Guys, I'm outside. Man, I went to the register to pay. The line, 3 o'clock, I'll still be there. And my break is almost over, so I couldn't get anything. Going back to work. Can't even see the end. You can't see the end of the line. That's how long it is. No. The thing pay me on those stuff. So nice. If I had I don't know. And my break is almost over. No, I cannot risk this. So let me go back to work. It's this work that gives me the money to, buy whatever it is. Mommy, I'm sorry. When I get home, I'm just gonna tell her, oh, I saw something. I'll show her the video. I saw something, but I couldn't the time. No, I can't. So I'll talk to you guys later, okay? Bye. I'm in the shopping mall, so I'll talk to you guys later. If I was going home by myself, I would have just come back here and buy the stuff again, pick them all over again, or I'll go back to where I dropped them and just pick them if they are still there. But I'm gonna have to ride the school bus with my kid. So yeah, I gotta go. They close soon. After my break, it doesn't take that long. They close, so that's why. Okay, I'll just go back. Look at this pretty lady. Why are you this pretty? Comment. Why am I this pretty? I'll talk to you guys later before I go because of vlogging. Bye guys. Guys, look at it. It's very long. It's not very strong. Please don't pay attention to that bag. That's my polythene bag. It's not very strong, but at least it can do something. But it's very high. Oh my goodness, almost taller than me. And I'm 5'5". No, I'm 5'4". Noise. I'm sorry, guys. Noise.
I become a person, but my happiness will still be my own. Now me where they clean on the house, now me where they wash on the car, now me where they cook on the car.
Now me where they wash on clothes, now me where they work for your shop, now me where they walk on I become a person, but my happiness so still be my own.
I just finished arranging it. I still have more shoes in my parents' house, and my husband still got more new ones that is still inside the shoe box. So I think I'm gonna get another one. That would be for just him, and I'll have one for myself, one for him. If you're not gonna fit, we'll put everything on top of each other. You know, so I need to create more space in the house so that I'll have space to put more stuff. Okay, so the empty boxes, I'm just gonna throw them outside when I'm going to my mom's place. I'm going to my mom's place now. Not now though, later, because I need to cook. So I can go take off my braid. Tomorrow is Saturday. I'll wash it. Okay, you know I told you guys I was supposed to take it off before, but I didn't take it out because the salon was closed. But I believe the salon will be open tomorrow. I'm gonna take it out today, and then tomorrow I will just go to the salon. First, I need to look for something to eat, a bit hungry, and then just do one or two, like I said. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you guys are enjoying my content. My voice is slow because I feel headache. I think it's because of this hair. Yeah, so the thing is, the rack is good. It's not like strong, but it's okay for the price. Maybe it can serve me for months, and then if I feel like I don't want it anymore, I'll throw it out. I'll buy another one. That's how I do my thing. If I don't like something, I don't keep it. I'll toss it out. I just do away with it, and then I'll buy another one. But when I buy another one, I buy better one, more money and more durability. Okay, so yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.